Okay, so this is the big one, and then these are its little brothers, littler brothers. As you can see, they've seen some use. They're actually really handy for peeling bark off stuff, so I've used them on trees because they're flexible, a little flexible, not super flexible, but flexible enough. So, anyways, these are actually for removing kind of 3D things on cars. It used to be more common that you would have a car and there would be some kind of weird textured stripe or something like that. And so these were designed to help peel that off. They wouldn't damage the paint, but they would still give you a chisel type edge, and it would kind of work its way underneath, and that profile would help lift off something that was stuck on your car. So to get some of this mortar off, let's see. So once you've identified where the mortar is, you can hand this over to a friend, a kid, or yourself if you're not confident about scratching the tile or you're worried about scratching the tile. These will not scratch. They're plastic, and this is about 1,000 times harder, I'm betting. And so you can use it two-handed for a little bit more leverage. I'm holding a camera with my other hand. That's why the video is a little shaky. But as you can see, it makes quick work of the Rogue mortar, even some of the heavier stuff over here. So anyways, if you're looking for, I guess, a system, I guess I just created one. Use the sidewalk chalk to identify the problem spots, and then use the plastic chisel for removing said spots. All right, so if you want more DIY tips from outside the box someplace, please like and subscribe. I'll be here doing this for probably the next hour. But man, these tiles are going to be so mortar free when I'm done. Cheers.